thought I'd just show you this bit of stringing and skirting board, which I did about 2 years ago now, and notice how there's no cracking out whatsoever. Well, this is a solid wall, so the skirting board will be nailed in, and generally what happens is vibration through the stairs starts to crack out against the wall. So then inevitably you come along with your caulk and you caulk it, whether it be the top of the skirting board, a joint, or the top of the stringing. But doing it that way, inevitably, could be 6 or 9 months down the line, it's going to crack out. So if you're tired of caulking and re-caulking, then using foam to fix it and a powder filler, absolutely nothing wrong with it. So like a hole on a wall, solid wall, you wouldn't use decorator's caulk to fill that. So then you use a good powder filler to fill the hole. There's no reason why it's going to crack out because there's no movement. Again, with the stringing or the skirting, no reason why it should crack out whatsoever. Fantastic, just wants repainting. With caulk, it doesn't necessarily want to sand, so you can get it quite smooth, but then recoating with paint, you do need to sand this edge. You always get a better finish using the powder filler. Perfect.